Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're well. My name is Jocelyn Milliman and today I'm going to be doing my current curly hair routine. So if you would like to see, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already so you can be part of my family and my channel here. I would really truly appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I already wet my hair. It's pretty damp right now. I'm just gonna go through, wet it a little bit more. When it comes to parting my hair, it all depends on how I'm feeling that day. But normally I kind of do it on the side. I do the center on the side, or I'll kind of just comb everything in one area. That way I don't really have a part. Kind of just goes wherever it wants to. I pretty much use the same products that I normally do. I've been doing finger coils a little different, but when it comes to hair products, I love the same hair products. My hair reacts to them very well. This is Shea Moisture. This is the leave-in conditioner. I love it. I'm gonna just take a good amount. I know my hair is pretty short, but most of it, my hair absorbs a lot of the product. And my hair tends to be pretty frizzy. I love to add gel to that before I go in with the Demon brush. This is by It's a 10. This is their Coily Miracle Gelled Oil. This stuff smells amazing. This is the very first It's a 10 product I've ever tried in my whole life, and I love it. And I wish it wasn't so dang expensive, but it's good. Take about that amount, work it through the ends and up. See, my curls are already starting to form, and I haven't even gotten to the brushing yet. Which is awesome because my hair has come a long way the past 2 years. I used to straighten my hair all the time. So when we first moved here, my curls were dead. Take my brush. This is the Babyliss Pro brush. It's a bent brush, but I like to use it to just brush through. So I'm just gonna distribute product here. What I like to do is divide it in half, and then that's when I go in with, I'm gonna go through section by section. Sometimes I take like vertical sections down, but I'm just gonna grab, push, and pull. And kind of just give it a shake. You can see just go through my whole head doing the same thing. Give it a little shake. Look how beautiful that is. Oh. When it comes to the back of my head, since I can't really see, I will kind of just bring it up. I'm going to take my front section, I'm just going to separate them because my front parts I like to finger curl. That's a look. I'm going to work in the back and then work my way forward, holding it. Give it a little shake. This section here is pretty big, so I'm going to split that in half. So I'm gonna wet my hair that I had up. I'm gonna take a little bit of water on my hands because I don't want to finger coil with my hands being dry because then it gets caught in my hair. The way that I used to finger coil my hair, I would twist all the way to the bottom and then twirl around my finger. I would give it a couple squeezes, let it go, and it would leave something like this. And I would just kind of scrunch it up and it would leave a curl like that. But how I've been doing it recently is a little different now. I will wrap the hair around and roll it up. Just like so. And then I'll let it go. Just keep doing that to the front. To set these beautiful curls, I will take the All About Curls hair foam, give it a little shake. I usually do 2 pumps, and this is very lightweight, and it doesn't leave that nasty crunch in your hair, because I hate that. And I will flip my head over, smooth it towards the back, and then scrunch up. My handy dandy diffuser. I like to hover diffuse first. I will hover, hover, flip my hair to one side, hover again, flip to the other side, hover again. Then I will flip my head over, hover diffuse, then flip my head back, and then I like to scrunch. Let the rest of it kind of air dry. This is by Weedad. I wish that Weedad wasn't so expensive, but it is because it's such a good brand. This is their Mangongo oil. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Mangongo oil. Multi-use curl treatment, and it smooths frizz and boosts shine, which is what I need when I go out in this Florida humidity. It can be heavy if you put too much. So I spray directly on my hand. I don't spray directly in my hair. I do one squirt, that's it. Work it in my hands, and this smells divine. And I will go through, smooth that all over my curls. And now, one of my favorite parts, we're gonna give it a little shaky shaky-roo. So I like to put my fingers, spread them out, put them under, shake. I don't do this too much because I don't want to break too much of my curls up and ruin them, but I will give my hair a flip. And look how much more volume we have. And you just see all those beautiful girls. That is my current curly hair routine. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below so you can be part of my family, my channel here. I really would truly appreciate it. All the products that I used, I will have linked down below in the description box. I really hope that I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. If you would like to see, please give this video our toilet. Just talk back all the time. Can you stop? Thank you. Okay. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're well. My name is xoxo-JM, and are you kidding me? Alright. Not a little bit. Not a little bit. I hate you, toilet. Why are you gonna be like that?